What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm TJ and this is TJ's Reviews, and what I am doing is unboxing and reviewing this Pittsburg 2-ton low-profile jack I got at Harbor Freight. I needed another jack because I am doing a kit on my truck, a leveling kit, and you know, I use my other jack religiously all the time. I've never needed to, so I didn't want to go out and spend a lot of money, and I'm just gonna unbox it and tell you what it comes with and how it did. So right off the bat, and I did leave this in the back of my truck, and of course it rained and got a little wet, but you've got the that locks in like that, and that is heavy duty. Your standard, you know, doesn't feel cheap or anything, but time shall tell. You know how that goes. Something looks heavy duty and then it breaks. All right, you're gonna have your instruction manual and your jack. Pretty heavy. It says, important instructions: turn the handle clockwise to open the release valve, remove 4 screws holding the pump cover, remove oil fill, plug and top off hydraulic fluid. I didn't know you had to do all this. Apply pressure to saddle and quickly pump handle several times. Check oil fill hole again, top off if necessary. Huh, I wonder if they give you hydraulic fluid, because I certainly don't have that laying around. No. I've never had to do that with a jack. Maybe. Anyway, I just took this screw off right here, and I hope, and then I just put it out straight out the box, and I'm just gonna use it because I am not going to the store and getting hydraulic fluid and doing all this crap. And I just tried to use it and it's working. So let me put a truck. I'm gonna use the truck. Hopefully I don't die, but I mean, it's holding. It's holding weight. Nah, I don't know once we put a truck on it if it'll hold it. I'm gonna test that out, but I didn't do all that stuff. I'm not saying don't do it. I don't know if that's gonna mess anything up, but this is just a secondary jack, and I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like, what comes in the box. And hey, if you're watching this before you go buy it, get some hydraulic fluid. I wish I could show you how to do all that, but I'm guessing from the looks of it, there's a, you're not gonna be able to see it, but there's a flathead bolt that you take off, and that's where you're gonna add your hydraulic fluid. So make sure you get that if you plan on buying it. So let me show you. It's all the way extended up, and there you go. So I guess if you needed to change a tire, and this does matter about your ground, how even it is, and the height of your truck. But I just wanted to show you guys that it does hold without you doing all that as of right now. If you absolutely need to use it and don't have hydraulic fluid, I'm actually gonna switch out jacks. I got this to hold up that when I take everything apart, so my whole arms don't drop, but it's a pretty decent jack. I mean, it pumped up pretty easy, and it does the job. So if you guys like these things and you're looking for just I think this is more like a, for a car. I wouldn't recommend getting it for a truck. You need something bigger.